Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bersama teman-teman atau BIC, the implementation of the Cambridge Lowell Secondary English Curriculum Teacher First of the one private school in Palembang. Abstract. The Cambridge curriculum is one of the international curricula in Indonesia. Cambridge curriculum has been implemented especially for teaching English. This study was aimed at finding of the English teacher perception toward the implementation of the Cambridge qualitative design with a case study was employed for this study. Data located although in the interview with two teachers with thematic analysis was used to analyze the data. The result of study referred of three state of implementation the curriculum. 1. Program development. 2. Implementation of learning. And 3. Evolution. Introduction. English has become a subject that is taught to the student at school. Defined as there are various reasons for learning of foreign language, which are for study purpose, adaptation for the new culture of the study, which would someone live for international communication with people from different countries, and for international communication with people from within their country. The learning process consists of supporting material and strategy included. The activity during the learning process take place according to reason. The component of the curriculum consists of the material learning strategies and evolution. Moreover, a study cognitive bersifat visual executive has components such as development of objective material, content, strategies, method, also tools and research, which consists of evaluation. In short, a curriculum is one element is teaching that consists of components involved which will achieve of the aim or subject of the curriculum itself. Concerning English as subject related to curriculum used over time, the curriculum is always changing or updated. The national or international curricula with their own is always changed or updated. There are national of their own purpose of the community to be achieved for education according to Sudarman. There are competitions by using international curriculum to face globalization. They are related to communication skill, the ability to think clearly and critically, the ability to consider moral issue as a problem, the ability to be good citizen, responsibility, the ability to try, understand, and be tolerant of different point of view, and the ability of live in globalized society. Set of the Indonesian generation must have a broad range of interests in life, be willing to work, be intelligent under their current interests, and have a sense of involvement responsibility. The relation between English subject and curriculum here of the teacher subject by using Cambridge Lowell English Secondary. Cambridge Lowell Secondary is one low Cambridge pathway for level in Cambridge education. Even at the Cambridge Lower Secondary expand with the student learn in Cambridge Primary and prepare for studies Cambridge Upper Secondary. By using Cambridge Lower Secondary English, students improve their impression and use of the English elements with their ability to use English effectively in a variety of oral and writing content. They are improving of the literary analysis and critical reading skill. This program equips students with the language and literary skill they need to success of it and in life. Several kinds of research on the implementation of Cambridge curriculum have been conducted. One of the studies was conducted by Prativi, which integrated the practice of the English language using Cambridge primary curriculum in Sekolah Dasar Kristen Kalam Kudus Surakarta. The finding of level different of the English study with teaching and learning approaches followed by the principle of the connection and active learning with the student with conducted classroom with the approaches. While the teacher was autonomous to design, the teacher of approached also the study with the conduct of the implementation curriculum. However, the similarity between the study our study with the was in the classroom activities is what the interaction between teacher and student was positive. Student demonstrated eager learning and participant as well a highly competitive atmosphere. However, the similarity between the study of our study was when in the classroom activities with the interaction between teacher and student was positive. Student demonstrated eager learning and participant as well highly competitive atmosphere. As the primary study with the content for that was very what the teacher of the of NCs, we found the primary school Cambridge only with the test and the level of the stage which called the Cambridge primary the checkpoint. However, these have been with Cambridge students were expected to be racing toward communication. They had the second for implementation Cambridge primary English is prepared to teacher in order to take part in training for Cambridge because by following training teacher proficiency and competence could not be built up and follow the Cambridge Lower Secondary English integration and program work in teaching. Third, by implementation Cambridge curriculum, students will be integrated in learning English by using Cambridge Lower Secondary School. The last is also prepared to students have Cambridge checkpoint, so the student can continue of the next level. It's for college Cambridge Lower Secondary student communication in EK. After the primary study was conducted, we devoted and the study is lower secondary because the study with the lower implementation of the curriculum itself, not only the evaluation in the related to the progress of the study. In fact, primary study with the head we have conducted, we are interested the connection study interrelated. The implementation of Cambridge lower secondary English teacher perception at Singapore Indonesia School, CIS Palembang. Literature review. Teacher perception the nature of the curriculum, the importance of curriculum. The teacher perception of the study perception is quite emotional of literary reaction to the regarding something of someone, concluding of nation may be judged of person, then or even talk out the language in curriculum. There are so many things they must be considered in order to be direction and purpose of the curriculum itself, the component of concept of the objective, the aim of the teaching method of the learning process with the assessment for the research, defining curriculum as something include the process they are not addressed when the determine appropriate syllabus, course structure, teaching methods, and teaching material, and to evaluate the language program they result for this process. The curriculum is a essential part of the education system because it is tool to achieve education and the goals. Therefore, there are some points of the importance of a curriculum according to Romahwati. Good impact. This important as follows. Impact on the administration, teacher, and student. The curriculum allows administration to provide of a dynamic educational program for current and prospective and students, school, college, and universities attract to students with a variety of quality, comprehensive, and flexible curricula. A curriculum over teacher or provide ideas of strategy for teacher to use assessment student progress. Student or must meet certain academic requirements to go to the next level without a grandiose curriculum. Teacher cannot be assured with the depth supply of knowledge or opportunity to focus on the next level with involved high school, college, or career curriculum give an understanding with must be incorporated to obtain a degree. Without such knowledge, students will be lost of the means of academic progress. They appear with the knowledge of they are not have such knowledge. They would not assure with the talking probably or subject toward a diploma or degree. The curriculum promotes of senses of order and structure in the pursuit of academic success. Apart from the above, curriculum is also important for student involvement and the purpose penetration of Permi and Hamadu. Program of the curriculum ideas found need to define of the needs by excellent education overall. What are conditions and process required to in the inside of the justice, equality, and inclusion are the main organization principle of the curriculum development. Quality of the outcome of the process is cannot be promoted only the basis of national international assessment of schools curricula with the result of complementing necessary balance between integrated universal values in respecting the different character ages national society with the curriculum proposal must not recognize the universal value critical for people to live according to belief and lifestyle while respecting those of others. The Cambridge curriculum in lower secondary school Cambridge lower secondary is a curriculum for the students who are still in 2015 of the subject from his subject focus of lifetime of the level of reading, writing, and speaking. It gives students transferable language ability of analyzing verb and generality spoken and writing material as well collaborative work. It also encourages student inclusion, creativity, and intellectual curiosity. Cambridge Assessment International Education. The implementation of Cambridge lower secondary English curriculum. There are some stages in implementation Cambridge lower English curriculum. The focus of the program development the curriculum was no other hand can be chosen after the developed by school stakeholder is meant school can develop the program of curriculum. Program development consists of annual which consists of material learning time and activity that will be taught to students. This part can include the syllabus and indicate lesson plan. Defined by creating my lesson plan include definition of the subject, selecting and organizing the subject material, and deciding method and products. Second is the implementation learning of learning means the running of the curriculum itself during the learning process. The method of learning is an important one is with the work of the student with the achieve the goal curriculum itself. The study conducted by the local and affairs by implementation Cambridge English. The teacher carries in accordance with the material and skill being taught. The teacher also considered learning material which is textbook is mainly Cambridge by using Cambridge to expert by sharpening skill in English in speaking and writing material from the aim of sketching for the student able to express for everything. That is the teacher good of the student to achieve learning attributes they are become the aim of the Cambridge curriculum. Third, after having a learning process of the evaluation in this stage can be shown of the process of using curriculum the operated implementation in English teacher of can be measured student learning and of result of student learning process by assessment. Moreover, the kind of assessment in Cambridge curriculum is different from the curriculum in Indonesia. There are some kind of assessment according to Sullivan. There is a assessment at the end of lower secondary that is called Cambridge Lower Secondary Checkpoint. The teacher attribute in Cambridge Lower Secondary identification of the component of this should be behavior of the student and student by using Cambridge curriculum according to Sullivan. The Cambridge learner, the attributes that are designed to help students establish 5 powerful and highly desired learning habits that will encourage them to enjoy studying and have a fulfilling or successful life. There are 5 teacher attributes that are conflict, responsibility, respective, innovative, and intelligent. Because Priya Sari in this point was somewhat of the ideas the study was conducted by Kunirapati and the implement curriculum Cambridge dan language English similarity focus implement what the scholar Kristen Kalam Surakarta. The study had result improvement of the Cambridge curriculum is components. Another operation of evaluating Cambridge curriculum implementation is carried out of the integrated evaluation of the evaluation. Different to the study that we conduct of the supporting observed factor, the available limited English skill, limited time, and limited facilities has been overcome with various effort. For the limited skill what learning because he had Cambridge and the school also had English. They program at the learning program secondary what the teacher made the summary and material so that our students were able independently list of the limited facilities. The school tried to add a computer or laptop in learning English. Second, the behavior related study with the conducted by Fitri Suwang and Rahman. Implementation of the curriculum at the creative material unlike solely with similar with implementation it can be considered of the implementation of curriculum defined of three stages, namely A. Planning, B. Implementation, and C. Evaluation. The result of the planning is the quality preparing for plus and design RTP. Then the implementation stage has been of the learning facilities, activities learning in activity different office about the Cambridge checkpoint, was implementation and has gone about the checkpoint as GPT. And a checkpoint which is the health of the year and health of the Cambridge 6th grade. Actually, on the other hand, explain how the Cambridge English checkpoint for Cambridge Lower Secondary was implemented. Methodology. Utilization of the study and qualitative study approach be selected in order to know such a phenomenon dealing with the teacher perception toward implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum with the private school in the case of study means we can explore and understand and is a problem by using case process activity or program in the according to what the case is positive problem and depending concept in the word for the context and present the context as well as textual. Furthermore, a qualitative research-based case study was used to find out the teacher perception toward the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. Interview in this study would cause of the participant because behavior that to know how the teacher and the curriculum of the student throughout the learning process viewed proper sampling technique of choosing of the participant of this study. Total sampling was only proper sampling according to the total population in the proportion of the sampling. This research and uses total sampling when a user selects a containing higher population that will English with this secondary. Therefore, we choose of the teacher would for English for lower secondary to be out perceptive. Data collection and analysis. In collection data, we use interview by offering information from teacher, English teacher, TM, normal perception, normal implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum at Singapore Indonesian School SIS. Pengembang to gain data in this research, we use interview and with entertainment with the review of the technique regarding the data quality research. Review was done between interview and interview to find of the teacher perception and we applied personality of the interview. We achieved the same structure question which large question and explore the question between more selective information by ordering the teacher review about the Cambridge Lower Secondary School and the teacher result of the meeting school by Zoom and took the notes of the teacher review. The interview was done by meeting of the operation. We used the full in the interview session. The first interview was done by PS teacher, not week was continued by teacher E. The same way to split with both teachers. For the data analysis, we used a thematic analysis in the study. Define there are 6 steps in the semantic analysis. The steps consist of analyzing the paper of the data, get absorb them into qualitative narrative entry from the data. The analysis the teacher observation of implementation of the Cambridge Lower Secondary English and research followed some steps. They were the first way to prepare information either one for the transcript and another of the notes of the documentary and the dated one other data vulnerable the category. In other words, column recording for chemical with the coding and with category into them. Next, we represent them in the qualitative narrative. In other words, the research describe the information that have been analyzed is what being related to this question. Finally, we integrate the signature of perception about the chemical over secondary English curriculum. Finding: the interviewer was conducted and found the teacher with perception of implementation of chemicals over secondary curriculum. After gaining of data interview data analysis by using semantic analysis, the integrated positive are follow table 1. Them of course implementation of secondary payment the program codes reject interview for adult chemicals over secondary curriculum in the second age. And implementation the chemical work after student writing to the scale. Evaluation: the result of the follow-up of the improvement parameter, the level of the chemicals, the question of the order elimination for assessment, the result of engineering form of the chemical level secondary individual checkpoint according of the chemicals aim the form of chemical level secondary with the checkpoint are easy, check a box, and writing. Program development based on the data obtained by interview step of implement communicates level secondary with a specific compound development was a first step in development the program the data section on the along the teaching plan of English level secondary curriculum in this school being followed by understanding of work. English as a guardian of the English content data we adopt challenge with the several secondary curriculum material for English instruction. The check in category plan of the plan English tracking the data to of variety of material research for teaching English of secondary curriculum and the teaching prepare students as to follow English the secondary English checkpoint. Integrated adapt of the teaching from campus English better secondary from English school based on the we found the teacher adult but teacher kan the campus no for secondary from the school planning asset for Cambridge it is thought that we can set the other order experimental Cambridge with the curriculum as well adopted by the plan Cambridge and perfect as the long-term plan there is technology for the plan and also I forget we don't take in the lesson of fun adopting but without play now. However, the teacher is set for example in secondary when however to buy by all of them right. How we also take recycled material needed for capacity of engineering and we will talk to the institution. There are some repetition topics in the docs books with the sum of the main points that to deliver in the student. Only that in what I'm doing by adopting the teacher follow and adjust of the word so English as the bullet in English it was the second thing with a 5 round of English interview with the teacher the English for the secondary curriculum made as a weight of the teacher after had disabled of the comment of so which have to become colonel for the line of the teacher it from the commute table fit to English table of work. About the teacher creating we only have the symbol of the show is to build and giga for us. Then either the show with the book our plan build another plan the for of the second base. Let have and common a moreover teacher is set up learning in the school English and he set up for objective of learning English usually for the curriculum and our school is a blow of the B national curriculum is like the competency in the with the KD community dasar. You know, we have to kind of a bit based about the topic. The topic already made by our school based on the campus curriculum. Teacher our campus in level of secondary curriculum medical for English the on the center of the with heart. We found the teacher with the perception. The teacher teaching material by adopt of the data to be asset. Teaching material but plus paper with exam with the profit everything with us quality of the exam profit can easily take for example they follow the campus they give after on the height of you can say but after calling for chemical smoke of teaching is fed I out of the material we can use the chemical curriculum we don't trust it 100%. The teacher create of the unit plan of the English interaction forward with the computer mid addition for planning for teaching interaction. Also for English lower secondary they had unit plan teacher is said we have of the planning over more with interaction for the government as follow of the former the government what it is we are based simply on the present plan basically or they are from the following we don't have meeting so we will don't for my bottom with the point with the end by EPS basically for English we have a unit plan we have a unit plan to go drop and there is an academic year rejection with variety of materials research for the English interaction 5 of the development the teaching data material with the knowledge the material enrich internet by using develop the I will teach by using technology nowadays as I would really to have the end of the project one of the Google and Google Doc transform and we upload the report is helpful, but it is more for the teacher to explain the same thing of the preparation and developing the material set. We have the textbook for Cambridge, the Cambridge work as stubborn of Cambridge with the classical mostly or for many when there are so many material to Cambridge always you can use the practice for the student practice basically for the English writing, but of listening as Cambridge Council for this kind of the classic that to the Cambridge later reading to many research not only for Cambridge but there are so many research right, so it's not limited to the book. The teacher prepares students to follow Cambridge Level Secondary English. From the last point of my finding of the teacher preparing the students follow Cambridge Level Secondary English as said, we have very active program since the beginning. For example, Cambridge Checkpoint program, we have 10 year followers, secondary, and United Secondary too. Basically, we have to prepare students with the end of the first semester. For the secondary, with the second semester, we have already preparing them. Getting an extra rate, we have fixed on customer interactive in secondary 2 level. With this second year, they will be considered for the exam. The first level secondary, so one they will be interacting only some part of the question from paper. We learn some unit to ask the question class similar to Cambridge. But some with the second of the term, I guess our student more ready. Not only this semester in always advance before we, but basically we have of 2 year program for international exam for Cambridge checkpoint follower secondary. For the upper secondary, we have received for junior college level A level. It happened by June series May to June for lower secondary in secondary 2. Implementation based on every plan. The second way this movement can be secondary English curriculum was the preparation of funding. There were 6 of one of the implementation for the curriculum model. We can get confident way to place more of a focus on the student writing skill teacher in general student learning process by having them of the break of the day since preparation to English interaction. Benefit themselves for the teaching we attribute them confidence of the teaching can be lower secondary with the curriculum. The material provide of the opportunity for students to learn with several content of the respective by using campus level secondary English curriculum. The teacher use English as media education at school and can get the English learning material facilitable the student. They can use English level secondary based on of the focusing on the student writing skill based on the typing skill can be level secondary but student writing skill teacher is said. Locally content yang we learn one of the text on the above either from material of secondary. They expect to them with the most modification aspect to be able to communication with the how to figurative language with the educated when they educate for them with the point with the teacher as following inspiring basically they have to stand like possible with the one of the best figures with the model of aware that other very able of the focus of the because of the student into children for future to the writing not only global in order to set expectation of people what is speaking with the don't even we know with the limited quality they have of the focus writing skill but on conformity for the little of the personalization of the what we have the hidden or the we can give them but I should be met on the error do writing like some spelling error the against the language must be focused on writing product text fail. The teacher enjoyed learning during the learning process by having them of the reflect on the daily life in relation to English teaching interaction. The second point will be found for the thinking with graphing for daily life phenomena that happen what sort of teaching with said I just about the own expecting bonus expecting so we idea for the because of the ones you know so wait of them with the enjoy with by boring by our daily life in the segment with knowledge enjoyable for them. It would be one way of the simply struggling to find out whether as some way to expect it would be enjoyable. However, the teacher fee as added for enjoying them well English is really closely with the daily life. We talking everything with daily life in we have daily English. But basically, I will never get with student and you will always have converting them before the assignment of an integer. Macam belajar writing assignment for example they ajar yang benar-benar for example they Chinese New Year effect for me of student Buddhist and celebrated then they especially to be for the future festival way to throw and we can dissect them to learn the imagine there's something by giving money for the and we're managing that way to call it Chinese is like in so far they you not the gadget then they do it without like oh I'm so learning English today. The teacher can reflect themselves of the teacher at Cambridge such as confident is on teaching of family level secondary English curriculum. Example in teaching English by Cambridge secondary the teacher didn't experience any problem of difficulty of intent they could they reflecting themselves. to reject attributes such as confidence in teaching of the teacher, upset of the while using Cambridge curriculum and date, and we explain the teacher curriculum, and because there's sometimes of the challenge and alternative spirit throughout we are in ignition. The insist Palembang. Agak kuat have enough to teach English curriculum Cambridge. You know, the first thing we have the English for language. The second what we have the English we have already know with the language we learn to basically with how I feel Cambridge exist. Palembang I built up I feel confident in teaching experience as well. I was a compiler of myself with other teacher. The material provided as a following for the student with attributes such as confidence and collaborating Cambridge English secondary English curriculum. The fourth we found the material could be not followable by using zero, but the material provided with the students so they are could develop themselves. They work to continue making the as able to can be supported by the asset with teacher as they can provide opportunity and also provide to develop the design skill. The meaning of communication for the learner so attribute is such a reflect by order of course, yes. The teacher use English as manipulating at school. The fifth of the found the teacher of the student we have to daily life at school, not only while the learning process but the complex part of the communication. To be called English as media in 2000 at SIS Parliament is set by teacher as we can convey as for any advice language for our secondary that students here are already able to speak English with their family and they to speak English as well. They are not affected when they combat as well. Be offered about this curriculum which is using Cambridge English the first language. They be offered for our school. This is really development the Cambridge level secondary school is material suitable for the student. The last part of the material is suitable for the student. Although the teacher still adjust to the student ability of accept the teacher if we are talking about difficulty of level. We also check our student reading level in secondary. We use the reading theory of rock with the reading level so but also to have some level is high proficiency therefore after do you have personally learning so I usually a good person I have lower moderated and big student I am the often over about it taught me knowledge of grouping the student the knowledge with every group they have different difficulty with the level reading test for example we made the same of the it would be unfair for the high level will jump very high while the lower the learner able to catch up the material so that based on the teacher strategi with the school with the basic efficient at their own personality learning function our school they really are to make efficient efficient impact personality as much as possible. Evaluation the data we found at the end of the state implement of the curriculum there was evaluation but based on the data we found at the end of the state implement the curriculum they are with 4.8 we are the teacher of the evaluator assignment follow the Cambridge the level of the Cambridge question in the high thinking of the English and for English statement. The grade of the student with perform in capital level school in secondary according with the grades aim and the form with the give for the level secondary fall with the checkpoint of aging with the tick box and writing. The teacher follow the entire assessment and can get the we found the teacher of the follow is the assessment from the Cambridge Mr. FC said. The follow of the segment will put from Cambridge Mr. of the follow the Cambridge statement with the including the voting system as well. The teacher of the assembly conveys with the paper box with the different section with assessment for example and paper when to the mean normally for 100 with 200 with the popular community we follow the voting with for the question number 1 area of the 20 with the of it which the bit easier with just because everything is provided on the Cambridge belong with them but agreeable as much the communication but of the school was very good program development for every teacher would those who teach Cambridge level of Cambridge classes we have to go through the training for Cambridge teacher. The level of Cambridge person is the higher thinking of the individual for English system. We found that they were provide thinking with the same teacher. He said the level of Cambridge person is more handle thinking with English for English assessment. As I said, we spoke of our school with the language. The result of student perform with the Cambridge level secondary in checkpoint to accommodation with Cambridge aim. Second teacher is said. In the end, we will ask the student who to Cambridge connection with of course according to Cambridge aim to moreover aided by teacher KPS. Basically, everything is following the Cambridge statement had according to the voting system as well. For example, mock H1 level in Cambridge which has 4 papers. Every paper has different section. In each section, it different amount of points. For example, in paper has 80 points in total. 80 means only for one has 100 waiting point with totally can pitch with on 80. We fill everything for the question number 1. Mention only 25 factor would be profit of by Cambridge, which is a bit easier for because everything is proper Cambridge with the proper the eligible with the objective Cambridge explanation with very good for for opinion for every teacher. Those who teaching Cambridge that we have to go to the result for the Cambridge we have the 5.5 from the last 2 years. From Cambridge Law Secondary English checkpoint and easy to take a box and write. The last teacher initiate speaking and listening are not assessment in Cambridge. Checkpoint is only reading and writing in English with multiple choice and Cambridge exam. It is a also take a box and the last part is writing. Discussion. After analyzing the result by using dramatic answer before of the day with some things teach with the Cambridge secondary with the school those one program development 2 learning implementation 3 evolution. The first program with development in language program with international article because of the teacher impressive result of engagement with the teacher. We didn't high school. These are important engagement in high school. Must have differentiated it was learned by Suliansi who found it the organized with the process of language consists of both the teacher of the language analysis with the can be getting money the student needs definition of the design by having the analysis also the teacher can adjust the syllabus and some of the work student with school with need adopting the material but after with the then the was million the software adopted most operated the material for exploring the further education subject of the learning test election publication present the complexity of education and the possibility of adopting methodologies from other fields to allow for a non-flexible and flexible approach. The second implement of learning that during of the learning process student could without any difficulty in recording the material. It was because the teacher had the teaching of the student teacher by and motivation influenced the learning process. With the study showed but the teacher in charging but in learning motivation is one of the essential takes but included the learning activities. Aside from the study, it cannot be the need of the student studying with other quite different, which is why is it critical of the teacher continually stimulate the student with the student always have the spirit of learning of the become student accessible maximally also the study fun of the student learning by Cambridge lower secondary curriculum but also on the daily language English become of the medium of interaction at school so that the study conducted by Enamati Sobni and Silma Fani. The level of Amy can help them with improve their English and skill, vocabulary, prepare of the better the study of the future and make it easier for them to understand the English language even though some of them are difficult using by their second vocabulary and English pronunciation skill. In addition, still with research about during the university using Cambridge curriculum, the material engineering student the material will very important to be absorbed to the student trailer appropriate with the amount degree of the study was conducted by the Mayati project in Inayanti learning material and developable important component on of an efficient language classroom. They are improving the quality of language skill with EDG for interaction. The application builds and the understanding of the learning. The purpose of the study is to examine what concept material and study in this study with the define of the material and the language interaction and to estimate the different types of the research of the significant language teaching, including the recommendation implementation. Based on the result of the thematic analysis of the we found a theory of stake implement Cambridge lower secondary English curriculum. They are found way from development implementation of learning and evaluation. The first step is from development. They work is 6 months of the development by 6 months. In this step, they work of the teacher adopt with the teacher of the Cambridge lower secondary curriculum on school needs to the teacher in expression or work so. This as well into English interaction with the teacher get a plan of the English second. The teacher uses variety of material research of the English interaction and the teacher prepare the student to follow Cambridge to local secondary English checkpoint. The second state was the implementation of learning English that be the segment of the second state they were the Cambridge to follow secondary with the focus to student writing skill the teacher in general of the student during the learning process by having them reflect on their daily life on the place in the English interaction. The teacher reflect to themselves only teaching at tables such as confident in teaching Cambridge level secondary with the high curriculum the material provide on the opportunity for students to student attribute and subject confident and effective by using Cambridge level secondary with them use of the knowledge of the school and the Cambridge level secondary visual material as suitable for the student. The last step was evolution. Based on the teacher perception, there were focal points of the teacher flow at the assignment parutum, can guess the level of the communication is higher thinking of the daily result work in the assignment. The result of the student perform in Camel level secondary English checkpoint at college with Cambridge M to the form and most of the secondary English checkpoint are easy take a book and writing. I think enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.